Lesson on conjunctions in English with Arabic translations. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that connect clauses, sentences, or words in the same clause. They help in making sentences more fluid and cohesive. Types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect words, phrases, or independent clauses that are of equal syntactic importance. The most common ones are colon, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Examples: I want to go to the park, but it is raining. She likes tea and coffee. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions connect an independent clause with a dependent clause. Some common subordinating conjunctions are because, although, since, unless, when, while, if. Examples: she stayed at home because she was sick. Although it was late, he continued working. Correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join equal elements in a sentence. Some common pairs are both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or. Examples: both John and Jane are coming to the party. You can either have tea or coffee. Practice sentences. Coordinating conjunctions. I want to buy a new phone, but I don't have enough money. Subordinating conjunctions. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Correlative conjunction. Neither the teacher nor the students were satisfied with the results. Summary conjunctions are essential in creating complex and meaningful sentences by linking words and clauses. Understanding how to use them correctly can significantly improve both English writing and speaking skills.